Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers job board widget to your Weebly website. A job board widget is a great way to display job openings clearly and help visitors explore available roles directly on your website. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Job Board in the widget library and open it. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Jobs tab, you can add job listings by clicking Add Job. For each job, you can update details like the job title, company, department, company logo, link, required skills, and other related information. Next, go to the Templates tab. In Layout Configuration, you can choose different layouts such as grid, list, and masonry. You can also adjust the gap and max width. In Header Settings, you can enable or disable the header and customize the title, title size, caption, caption size, and alignment such as left, center, or right. You can also enable or disable the placeholder and search bar. In Card Visibility, you can choose which elements you want to show in the job listing cards. In Pop-up Content, you can choose which elements will be visible inside the pop-up. Next, go to the Style tab. In Global Theme, you can choose between light and dark mode and also customize the accent color, background color, and font family. In Component Styling, you can change the styles of the card, pop-up, and buttons. In Geometry, you can adjust the card radius, pop-up radius, and button radius. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your Weebly site editor. Inside the editor, add a Embed Code block, then paste the installation code into it. After that, publish your site. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.